Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In today's episode, we will be learning how to change birthday on Roblox account using the Roblox mobile application. To change your birthday on Roblox, go ahead and open the Roblox app and log into your account first. Once you're signed in, from the home page of Roblox, tap on the More button at the bottom right hand corner. Inside the More menu, go ahead and scroll down to Settings and tap on it. Under Settings, tap on Account Info. Within the Account Info page, scroll down to Birthday and tap on the little pencil icon right next to Birthday. Now update your birthday by selecting your year, month or day from the drop-down. Simply go ahead and make the changes and click on the Continue button. After you tap on Continue, you will be able to change your birthday on Roblox account. If you're under 13, you may need to contact Roblox support for assistance, as accounts under 13 have additional restrictions. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.